How was you last night?
I'm 50% better.
It's crowded.
It is. Good.
Oh. The beach is a little bit more crowded than I expected. We already went up steps like this already, and we're about to go up even more. It looks so endless. Brought to you by the hotel. How do you feel after vomiting all day yesterday, hiking today, and then riding on a boat?
I feel okay.
And a game plan for the evening while we have some masks on. To look like death. I think that'll be good for you after all the puking you've done yesterday and all the water you've lost.
I can't smell on this. Can't move.
Outfit. Is the name of this hotel about suspicious to you? Would you stay here? Because I don't think I would. It's so pretty outside. I want to say it's the low 70s, maybe. It's like perfect out here. Got some bread at the 7-Eleven and some vitamin C. Hopefully it stays down. Sick of the bed. I hope that bread tastes good.